Good morning, children. Today's second and third period is maths. In this period, we will learn the topic similarity and mirror halves.
Hello children, have you ever seen a butterfly? If you carefully observe butterfly, you can notice that butterfly look similar from both the sides. See this picture. It looks same from both the side, left side and right side. So, this property of objects and things is called as similarity. It is also known as mirror half of the image. So today we are going to learn this new topic similarity from the chapter where to look from. We will learn this topic in detail with the help of below given story that is tit for tat means जैसे को तैसा in Hindi. We have heard of many stories. Some of them are motivational stories. Like this, Tit for Tat is a moral story which teaches us how to behave smartly with everyone. So, in today's story, we have Amina, a little girl, who asked a painter to make a picture of her. So, one day, Amina met a painter. She asked him, "Can you make my picture?" A painter replied, "Yes, sure. I will charge rupees 200 for a painting." After a while, the painter made her picture and showed her the picture. Painter makes half picture of Amina and asks her, "How do you like it?" Then Amina questions the painter, "But this is only the half picture." Then the painter tries to fool Amina by telling her the other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to see the complete picture so that you will be similarly able to see the full picture. By telling this, painter asked Amina for the money. Amina is a smart little girl who came to know that the painter is trying to fool her. So Amina make a trick to teach painter a lesson. Amina gave him 100 rupees note. Then the painter asked her that I have told you 200 rupees for the painting, but you gave me only half of the money. Then Amina replied back to him that other half is exactly same. So just put a mirror next to the note and you will get the full money. Ha ha ha. In this way, Amina deals with painter in the same way he tries to deal with her. So, similarly, painter had made many pictures in which he drew only half of the things. Draw the other half of the picture using mirror and find out what these things are. Observe these pictures. This is a picture of caterpillar, curve and plant. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing picture of the following? No, you are absolutely correct because these pictures can't be divided in equal parts. Now draw three more things which do not have similar mirror halves. So here are bus, kettle and a symmetric tree. Try drawing them at your home. Further, now look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? Here, the first picture is a triangle in which a dotted line is passed through left corner of a triangle. This line divides the triangle into two similar mirror halves. In next picture, vertical line is pass through top corner of a triangle, which is also dividing the triangle in two mirror halves. Now, in third picture, dotted line is passed through middle of the triangle. So, just check, is the line divide the triangle in two equal parts? No. Therefore, this picture is not divided into mirror half. The next given picture is a square. Slanting line is passed through it, but it is not divided in equal parts. Therefore, it does not consist of mirror halves. Next is also a triangle through which vertical line is passed. The dotted line is dividing a triangle into two similar mirror halves. The sixth given picture is a tree in which line is passed from middle and hence it does not get divided into two similar mirror halves. In the next given picture, horizontal line is cutting the B in two equal parts. Therefore, it has two similar mirror halves. Similarly, T is also being cut by a vertical dotted line in equal parts, forming the mirror half of the picture. Next is the picture of a kite shape in which dotted line is not dividing it in equal parts. Therefore, it does not have mirror half. Similarly, in the next picture of trapezium, the dotted line is not cutting in equally. Hence, it also does not have similar mirror half. In the further given picture of a heart and M, a vertical line is cutting them exactly from middle, making two equal parts. So, due to this, they form similar mirror half. Now, there is a slanting triangle, similar one to the previous ones. Therefore, it also forms mirror half. In next picture, again the shape is divided in equal parts. So, it has equal and same mirror halves. The next picture is little bit tricky one as there are two squares joined to each other. The dotted line is cutting both of them. These squares also does not form a mirror half as they both are of different size. Lastly, there is a rectangle which is divided into two equal parts from the line passing through its corner. Therefore, this rectangle also consists of two similar mirror halves. By practicing these pictures, I hope that now you have got a clear idea about mirror half and similarity. Here, there is a task for you to give some more examples of mirror halves. Now, come to the page number 10. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following picture into two similar halves? See the picture of a comb. If we draw a vertical dotted line, then can we divide it into two similar halves? Yes. Now, this is the picture of an envelope. Again, we have to draw the vertical line to make them into two similar halves. The next picture is 8. We get two similar halves by drawing a vertical line. Now come to this picture. This is a picture of scissor. By drawing a vertical line, this picture is divided into two similar halves. Now come to this picture. By using horizontal line and by using vertical line, this picture is divided into two similar halves. Now see the next picture. Can you divide this picture of a kettle in two similar halves? Just check and draw the line. No, it cannot. Now the next picture is pencil. Can pencil be divided by horizontal line into two halves? No. Now we will check by vertical line. Oh, it's working. Now see the picture of a mug. Can this picture divide by horizontal line or vertical line? No. The picture is not divided into two similar halves. Come to the next picture. Crown divided into two similar halves by vertical line. This is a picture of a frog. Frog also divided into two similar halves by drawing a vertical line. The next picture is a picture of a bed, and this picture again divided into two similar halves by vertical line. The next picture is a CD, and check whether it is divided by horizontal line or vertical line. The picture is not divided in two equal halves by vertical line or horizontal line. Now come to this picture. This is a picture of aeroplane. By drawing a vertical line, this picture is divided into two equal halves. Now this is a picture of a tool. It will not divided into two equal halves by joining vertical line or horizontal line. Now the next picture is a 2, number 2. Now it will not divided in two equal halves by vertical line or by horizontal line. So hence there are given some more different pictures. By dividing them using a dotted line and check it out whether it gets divided into mirror half or not. This is a task for you. Now come to the page number 11. Try guessing these letters from their halves. The first picture is mirror half of A. So complete another half of A by drawing it with pencil. The next letter is mirror half of C. So similarly complete the letter C by drawing another half. The next given letter is mirror half of H. If you try to open the figure, you will find the other half of H. So With the help of pencil, draw other mirror half of it. Similarly, there are letter U, B and K. Try drawing their mirror half using such letters. We can also make words which have similar half. So, guess the word by looking at their halves. The first word is how. Can you guess which is the second word? Yes, it is wax. Similarly, third word is mirror half of coop and mirror half of dice. Complete other mirror half all the four words by drawing it with your pencil. In day-to-day life, we go to many parties. In that parties, you children love going to birthday party where you wear a variety of masks. So, do you know how to make that mask? Now, I am telling you to make a easiest and simple way of making mask. For that, we require some material, plain paper, scissors, pencil and color. Now, let's start to make a mask. Take a piece of paper, fold it along the middle. On one side, draw the figure. Cut it out using a pair of scissors. Now, fourth step is open the fold and make the eyes and nose, etc. Now, the step number 5 is color it and tie a rubber band on its back. Your mask is ready. You can make more such a mask by taking help from the following pictures.